How to add text to a video in CapCut on Android. This tutorial shows you how to overlay text on your video clips directly in the app. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device and start a new project. After that, add the video you want to edit to the timeline. From there, tap on the text option in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. At this point, tap on Add Text to open the text editor. In the next step, type in whatever text you want to appear on your video. Following this, once you're done typing, you can customize the font, color, and style using the options available at the bottom of the screen. Once done, tap the check mark to confirm, and the text will be added to your video as a separate layer on the timeline. From here, tap and drag the text on the screen to reposition it wherever you want it to appear on the video. Finally, once everything looks good, tap Export at the top right corner to save the finished video to your gallery. And that's it. If this guide helped you add text to your video in CapCut on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.